Rough video.
Hi, Miss Kelly's ILS students. It's still Thursday, but let's start by taking a deep breath in. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. So remember, if it's Thursday, we are going to be working from our Thursday packet. We've already done our calendar and we've already done our yoga. So the next thing are 2 sorting sheets again. And remember how I told you we're going to do a lot of sorting and counting. And these ones are for rocks and shells because Miss Kelly is planning on hitting the beach. But I have not yet hit the beach. So I'm going to keep the rocks one because I just ran out in my yard and grabbed some rocks. And for this sorting one, I'm going to turn it around, upside down, and I'm going to put beans because I found some beans in my pantry. So, I just spilled the beans. So I have some pinto beans. And what I did before we start the sorting is make sure you put them together into a bowl so that they're not sorted. Because the whole point of it is to practice sorting. A lot of jobs that we're going to be working on and hopefully moving into as we get older as students is going to be sorting things for like at the Dollar Tree or Goodwill, because they have a lot of things where you're sorting shirts versus pants or whatever, and we'll probably do that too later on. So I have my bowl that needs to be sorted between rocks and beans, and these are very similar. You can start out with things that are less similar to make it easier, or if you're at that point, I guess I should grab these over here that I spilled. Or depending on where you are as far as your abilities or your students' abilities, is you could just have the one sheet. Like we're just gonna do rocks, and then you'd have a bowl with rocks, and they would need to take it from the bowl and put it where it belongs. Again, that's another potential work idea for the future. So I have a rock on there. The next thing I pulled out was another rock, so that would go here. Up, I pulled out a bean, so it would go here. And another good thing is if you're going to have this be the beans, probably to put at least one bean already on there to show where the beans are supposed to go. That helps when it comes to sorting. I have another rock, and I just grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4 beans. I'll put them there. And another rock. Oh my goodness, I grabbed a lot this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beans. There we go. And another rock. So you could sort through the whole thing. Continue to put the rocks where the rocks go, the beans where the beans go. Oh, I found 2 more rocks. So depending on where you are, how strong you want to be in this area, you just keep practicing. And look, there's no more rocks in this. So I can take the whole thing and make my life a little easier. Put it right there. And it's in the right place. I have the beans where the beans go, the rocks where the rocks go. That's a lot of beans to count, but we can definitely count the rocks. And what I'll do is I'll move them while I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rocks. I have 10 rocks. Should we count this high? This is going to be a lot of counting. What we can do is count by 2s maybe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 59, 50, 9. I guess I'll turn them so you can see. So we have 59 beans and 10 rocks. Which one has the least? Well, like I told you, you want to see, the picture will show you which one's the least or the most. This picture shows not as many rocks as you see beans. So this one would be the least, which would leave this one to be the most, because it definitely has more beans than there are rocks. Happy Thursday, friends. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Rough video.